Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Twitch profile picture using the Twitch mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Twitch app and making sure you are logged in to your account. Tap your profile icon from the top left of the screen. When your account page pops up, tap on your profile icon again, above where it says your username. Now tap Edit Profile at the top right of the screen. Tap your profile icon once more to change the picture. Choose to take a new picture or use an image from your gallery. Select the image you want. You can now crop the image to a different size if you want. Tap Choose once done. Your Twitch profile picture has now been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitch tips and tricks.